Medical English. Level, beginner.
Hello. My name's John Kettering. I'm 37. I'm a cardiologist. I work at the emergency room of the General Hospital of Tucson, Arizona.
Hi. I'm Anna Marie Stevens. I'm 41. I'm an orthopedist at the Virginia Mason Medical Center in Seattle, Washington.
Hello. My name's Sarah Lee O'Brien. I'm 32. I'm from Adelaide, Southern Australia. I work at Waterbury Hospital in Adelaide as a pediatrician.
Vocabulary: cardiologist, a doctor who specializes in diagnosing and treating diseases or conditions of the cardiovascular system. Emergency room, the department of a hospital that provides immediate treatment for acute illnesses and trauma. Orthopedist, a physician who corrects congenital or functional abnormalities of the bones with surgery, casting, and bracing. Pediatrician, a doctor trained to diagnose and treat illnesses of a child.